Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the layer 3 staking. Now the layer 3 staking is going live in some time, and if we go a bit down, and as you can see, this staking has a utility. Now by staking your layer 3 tokens you would be getting passive staking rewards, plus there would be additional campaign rewards plus utility, and also there would be a multiplier for layer 3 airdrop for season 3. And they also have one exclusive campaign right now which is running. So as you can see, there is this campaign. Now if I go ahead and click on the campaign, you will need to go ahead and stake a minimum of 1000 layer 3 in order to unlock this campaign. Now with regards to eligibility rules for this campaign, as you can see, this will run for 14 days, and in this the activities mentioned are you will need to go ahead and complete quest and streak across the ecosystem, and there would be a prize pool which would be 6-figure. Apart from this, you would be also getting a NFT if you go ahead and participate in this campaign. Now if we talk about the staking of layer 3 over here, as you can see, there is 200% season 3 boost. So if you start your staking your layer 3 tokens from now, you would be getting this additional boost for the next season of the airdrop. And if we go a bit down over here, as you can see, they have mentioned that if you haven't received the airdrop and if you want to go ahead and purchase additional layer 3 tokens, and if you go ahead and click on this link, it will redirect you to Bybit. Now if you don't have an account on Bybit, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which up to $30,000, or alternatively you can use my referral code as crypto505. Now apart from buying layer 3 tokens on Bybit, you would be also getting access to exclusive airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. Now if we talk about the utility of layer 3, as you can see, there would be ecosystem utility and also rewards multiplier, and the staking is starting after 1 hour at the time of making this video. Now the earlier you start staking your L3 tokens, the more APY or APR you would be getting, and as and when more people start joining the staking, then the APR or APY will start decreasing drastically. Now if we go a bit down over here, as you can see, there is this layer 3 staking overview. Now you can maximize your reward, so you can go ahead and earn passive yields, also participate in governance on layer 3, and then there would be multipliers for layer 3 airdrop. And they also have a burning mechanism where you can go ahead and burn your layer 3 tokens, and I'm not sure what this is, shape the futures. So okay, this is basically the governance of layer 3 which we have already talked about. And you also get access to launchpad, so I think there would be future launchpad of different coins and tokens on the layer 3 platform. And apart from this, there is season multiplier and ongoing incentives. Now if we go ahead and talk about the rewards over here, as you can see, for season 3 of airdrop, it will calculate the number of staked L3 or layer 3 tokens and the number of cubes that you have minted and the XP that you have collected, and also the trade and the bridge volume. Now still this one is locked, the staking multiplier, and it was even locked in season 1 and season 2. And apart from that, in order to qualify for airdrop season 3, you have to go ahead and complete certain quest and mint these cubes over here. Now we are not sure how many cubes you will need to mint in order to potentially qualify for season 3 layer 3 airdrop. And apart from that, you can also go ahead and trade on bridge on layer 3 in order to earn some additional points for season 3 of airdrop. I think there would be a new trophy road also. So as you can see, there is this airdrop season 3 trophy road, and there is this bonus daily collection. Now if you keep going, you would be getting these rewards over here. So hopefully they keep rewarding the community actively. Now you can go ahead and claim your layer 3 airdrop on claim.layer3 foundation, and as you can see, they have this different stake options. Now I will put all these links in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to go ahead and stake your layer 3 tokens and as well as claim them. Now if we talk about the staking percentage APY, as you can see, there is this unlocked one which is 284.5%. So basically you can go ahead and unstake it at any given point of time, and if you want to go ahead and sell it, you can go ahead and sell it. Now there is this lock staking over here which is for 12 months, 18 months, 24 months and 36 months. So the longer you stake, the more APY you would be getting. And you can go ahead and select any one of this option over here. But for me, since it's a bull run, I would like to keep it unlocked. If you want to go ahead and stake it for a certain period, you can choose this option. So as you can see, the next layer 3 airdrop boost is 200% for any tenure of layer 3 that you are staking. So I will go ahead and claim this one. Now I will need to go ahead and check how much is the gas fees. So for claiming this airdrop, the gas fees is like $44, which is much on a higher side. So I'm not going ahead and claiming this right now. But if you want to go ahead and claim, you can go ahead and claim this. So I'm rejecting this transaction for now. So this is all for this video with regards to layer 3 staking and season 3 of layer 3 airdrop. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.